In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make alt Steam accounts. Whether you need a second account for gaming, testing, or any other purpose, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open the Steam app. If you haven't already installed it, download and install the Steam client on your device. Once installed, you'll see the Steam icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click it to launch Steam. When Steam opens, click on the Login button, usually located in the top right corner of the window. This will take you to the login screen. Enter your existing account name and password, then double-check your details to avoid any login errors. Once everything looks correct, click Sign In. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. From here, look toward the top left corner of the window and click on the Steam menu. A drop-down list will appear. From this list, select Change Account. At this point, you'll see a quick verification step. Simply check the box to agree to the terms and click Continue. Don't worry if Steam restarts, this is completely normal. Once Steam restarts, you'll be taken back to the login screen. Here, look for an option labeled Add Account. Clicking this allows you to sign in with another Steam account or create a brand new one. If you already have another account, just enter its login details. If not, click Join Steam and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account. After completing the setup, you'll be logged into your alternative Steam account. That's it. You've successfully created and added an alt Steam account. You can now easily switch between multiple Steam accounts whenever you need to. Just remember that each account is completely independent, meaning game progress, purchases, and settings are unique to each one. Be sure to keep your login details safe for a smooth experience. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!